Welcome to the Barnacles and Black Powder Expedition Guide. This is the latest dungeon to land in New World. I do think a lot more could have been done to make this better, and there seems to be quite a bit of copy and paste, but there are some great drops and some really unique mechanics. This is level 65 dungeon full of lost mobs. Amber gems are great for your weapons. You'll find the expedition down at the southeast side of Cutlass Keys. There are 2 quests to pick up, but don't forget the faction quest you can also get from town. Remember, you can now sign up and create groups from the map. Once you enter, you'll make your way through the awesomely themed piratey zone, killing trash mobs, flipping levers, and dodging swinging axes. Your first major encounter will be Chompers. It's quite easy. The tank may want to take some aggro, but just DPS him down. Continue on and try to avoid being tempted by the cursed treasure as you make your way to Admiral Blackpowder. This is by far the best boss in the whole game. Avoid his cannon fire and bomb barrage, and when he's back up top, pick up a cannonball, load it into the cannon, and fire it at him. Rinse and repeat until he's dead. Continue on, and to open the gate after defeating Sergeant Morris, talk to Ty and then take Nereid's offerings to the statue. You need to do this 3 times, avoiding the lightning. Once you reach the final boss, Nereid, avoid the water waves, dodge her whirlwind, and watch out for the tornadoes going around the outside of the arena. They're on a simple path. You can just simply step forward and backwards to avoid them. That's it. That's my quick guide to the Barnacles and Black Powder Expedition. See you in Aeternum.